This is a new video about star delta conversion I mean, and it will be not a big video, it will be a small video. Just we will know how to convert star connections into delta and the vice versa, delta into stars. So we will see the formulas also. First of all, what is a star connection? So star connection, also known as V connection, this is also known as V connection. Okay, so this looks like this. All the resistors have a common meeting point. Okay, this is the common meeting point of all the resistances. Three resistances are connected in star. This is called the star connection. Okay, and what about delta connection? So delta connection, it looks like a triangular shape. When all the resistors are connected in a triangular manner, this is known as delta connections. Okay, this is the delta connection. So what we want to do, sometimes we want to convert star into delta and sometimes delta into star. So what is the need of converting the circuits? So we will see an example. Suppose there is a problem where you have to solve this problem. Okay, there is a there is a delta, another delta type of opposite. Now if someone asks you what is the R equivalent, it is very difficult to find the R equivalent because you can't say which were in series and which resistances are in parallel. So what we can do is we can convert this this delta into star. Then we will have like this. So we will not have these circuits. Now if you look at this circuit, same current will be flow from these two resistors and the same current will flow from these two resistors. So these two resistances are in series. You can add these two resistors and both the resistant of this and this will be in parallel. So it will be easy question. Okay, so if I converted that delta into star, the problem became easy. So this is the use of star to delta conversion. Okay, so let's look at the formula real quick and very easy method how to convert. Okay, so suppose I am converting star into delta. Okay, so let's suppose I am converting a star. This is a star, let it be R1, this be R2, these are known to me, R3, these are known to me because I have this circuit. So I want to convert it into delta. I want to convert it into a delta connection. Let's suppose this be RA. I need to find RA. And here let it be RB. And let it be RC. So what I need to find is RA, RB and RC, correct? So the easy way to find RA, see, I want to find this one. Okay, so what I have to do, R1 into R3, R3 into R2, R2 into R1. So by multiples of these three resistance, that is R1, R3 plus R3, R2 plus R1, R2 upon the opposite resistance of this delta, which is R3. This delta resistance, opposite resistance is R3 upon R3. Similarly, RB, same by multiples of this resistances, R1, R3 plus R3, R2 plus R1, R2 upon what is the opposite of this RB? R2 upon R2. Similarly, RC will be R1, R3 plus R3, R2 plus R1, R2, R2, and what is the opposite of RC? R1. So this way I converted star into delta easily. So this is the formula. So by multiples of the star resistances upon the opposite resistance. Now if the question arises how to convert delta into a star, let's look at the next scenario, delta into star. let's look at delta into star. So I have a delta connection. I have this connection, okay? Let it be RA, RB, RC. I have this connection and I want to convert it into a star or V connection, that is like this. Okay, let it make it little bit dotted. I want that, right? I want this, let it be imaginary. So I want to know R1, R2 and R3. Here RA, RB, RC are known to me. So how can I write this R1, R2 and R3? So what we have to do is, see this, the junction point of R1 is between RA and RB. The R1 is connected to this point, and from this point the side resistances are RA and RB. So if I want to write R1, it will be multiply of these two resistances RA, RB, okay, upon summation of all three, okay, RA plus RB plus RC, easily. So how can I write R2? Okay, R2 will be easily written as, it is jointing here, so this is RC and this is RA, okay. So multiply of RA and RC upon total resistance RA plus RB plus RC. And what will be R3? It is jointing over here, so RC and RB, okay. So RC RB upon RA plus RB plus RC. So this is the way of converting a delta into star, okay. So we saw just now how to convert star into delta and delta into star. So these are the formulas and you can easily practice it and you can put the formulas and you can convert, okay. And also I told you the uses. Sometimes it's very easier to convert and solve the problem. Thanks for watching.